A new Sigma lens, 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN contemporary. The world's smallest and lightest APS-C ultra-wide-angle zoom lens with a constant F2.8 aperture. With a minimum focusing distance of 11.6 centimeters and a maximum magnification ratio of 1:4 at the wide end, the lens can capture detailed close-ups, which opens up new creative possibilities. Minimal focus breathing, making it ideal for video recording. The included push-on petal-type lens hood uses a newly developed spring and lever mechanism that gives the hood a slim profile and makes it quick and easy to attach. With ultra-sharp optics, a bright f2.8 aperture, and a compact yet robust build, this lens is perfectly suited to vlogging, video recording, and a range of photographic applications, including landscape, travel, and interiors. The exceptionally portable Sigma 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN Contemporary is a small lens with a big personality that will help you create expressive images on the go.